with the fish should be covered. Second is the clothes should not be so tight-fitting it reveals the figure. Third, it should not be translucent or transparent so that you can see through. Fourth, it should not be glamorous so that it attracts the opposite sex. Fifth, it should not resemble that of the opposite sex. And sixth, it should not resemble that of the unbeliever. These are basically 6 criteria for Islam. And always give the example that if there are 2 twin sisters who are very beautiful, equally beautiful, if they are walking down the streets of Muscat, one is wearing the Islamic hijab, complete body cover, except the face and hands up to wrist, and the other twin sister, she is wearing the Western clothes, maybe low neck, skirt. And if round the corner there is a hooligan who is waiting for a catch, who is going to tease a girl. I know in Oman it's very rare. It's more common in the Western world. Because the law is strict. But if a person is waiting to tease a girl, waiting for a catch, which girl will he tease? Will he tease the girl wearing the Islamic hijab, or will he tease the girl wearing the Western clothes? Who will he tease? Which one?
Who is
Western clothes. You don't have to be a scholar for that. It's a simple question. You don't receive an award. You invite educated. Once in Dubai, when I was giving a talk in Dubai, maybe a few years back, an audience of over 30,000 people, one non-Muslim girl, during question answer time, she came and said, Dr. Zakir, I've heard your talk. And you said, giving the example of twin sisters, who will you tease? According to me, the person wearing the Islamic hijab will be teased. You know why? Because the person would like to know what is behind the clothes. And my daughter in the audience said, now Abba is trapped. Because we don't expect this. We know it's an illogical answer, but a dai should be trained. A dai should be trained in how to reply illogical questions. So I got up and I said that, sister, I asked a question. I don't agree with her answer. I don't agree with her reply. She said that the girl in the hijab would be teased because they would like to know what is behind the clothes. I don't agree with her. But if she really agrees with the answer, then why is she wearing clothes? She should remove the clothes. And she was embarrassed. The battle was won. I told her, if you believe, believe me, I've been in the field of dawah for mashallah more than 30 years. This is the first time after 25 years, somebody is posing me this question. I was shocked, but Allah helps us. So, she was so embarrassed that she walked away because she knew she was giving a wrong reply. I said, if you really believe in that, why are you wearing clothes? Do you want to be teased? So, Islam has the solution to the problem of nudity, to the problem of pornography, the problem of obscenity. Today we have, in most of the ads we have ladies. Why? For motorcycle we have a lady, for car we have a lady. How many ladies have motorcycle? Percentage very small. They want to sell our daughters, they want to sell our mothers. In a very famous ad I was told in a very famous BMW ad, there's a lady who's standing in front of the car in the bikinis, and the ad read, test drive her now. Who's the girl of the car? What is the Western world doing? They are selling our daughters, they are selling their mothers, they are selling their sisters. Islam prohibits making a wanton show of the female. We love our daughters, our mothers, our wives. We respect them. That's the reason we care for them. They ask me the question, why should a woman require a mahram? I said, why does the president require so many guards? Your president requires guard, how a woman require mahram? So every question has a reply. And the solution to the problems of humanity is in the glorious Quran. Therefore I say it is a global necessity. Quran has the solution to the economic problem. Today, the major economic problem is because of riba, controlled by a handful of people in the world. The full economy of the world is controlled by a handful of people, Rockefeller, around the region. They control the banking system, riba. Quran has a solution for riba. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2, verse number 278 and 279, if you give up not your demands of riba, demands of interest, take notice of a war from Allah and His Rasul. Allah says if you give up not your demands of riba, Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. Now who has the courage? Who has the guts? Who has the ability to fight with Allah and His Rasul? Riba is the 12th major sin according to Imam al-Dhahabi in his book of Qabair.